ordinary mother know how to cook, right? Oh no, my eyes! Get into my eyes, my God. Already wearing glasses. I don't know. Still go to my eyes and I'll cry. Ouch. I almost, oh my God. My eyes is hurting my eyes. Ooh, I already crying. Ooh, ooh. Thanks for watching my channel, Denise. I like her name. Ah, okay. I am already crying. Why? Ouch. My eyes is hurting. Ah, oh no. Ah, already, already crying. My God, my eyes is so hurt. All the